Hello class, how are you all? Good. I'm also doing great. Okay, so can I start the class now? Are you all ready? Give me a thumbs up. Yeah, good job. Now, so today we'll be teaching about or we'll be talking about fraction. Okay. Now I'll give you some examples. Okay. First challenge is birthday cake challenge. Suppose you have a birthday cake. Now you need to divide the cake into four equal parts. Can you divide? Okay, you can. Great. How? Yeah, very easy. So first we'll divide the cake into two equal parts. Then again each equal parts into equal two parts. Right? So four parts we will get or four pieces we will get. Now tell me. So if you take one out of those four pieces, so how much you will get out of that cake? That is 1 by 4th, right? Because how many pieces are there? Four pieces, out of which one you are taking out. So that is 1 by 4, right? So if I take out two pieces out of those four, then how much you took of the cake, of the total cake? 2 by 4th part of the cake, correct? If you take 3 out of those four parts or out of that cake, then that is how much you took out, out of that four pieces? 3 you took. So how much you took out of that cake? 3 by 4th portion of the cake. So you see 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Are they whole numbers? No, they are not whole numbers. So these numbers are called fractions. Right? Okay, so I'll give another example. So mm I give you a square. Okay, and uh, so two equal parts, and one part is marked as zigzag, zigzag, zigzag like that. Okay, so that marked part is how much of the total square? 1 by 2, that is half, right? Half of the total or half of the square, 1 by 2. So see, 1 by 2 is again a fraction, right? So this number 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. So see, these are not whole numbers. These are called fractions. Okay. So fraction is basically the part of a whole. The part of a whole or the portion of a whole. That is called a fraction. Right? Now, okay. So now you can solve it like step by step. So first what we'll do, how many total pieces are there, we can just check, we can count, and then how much you took out from that or how much is marked or whatever it is given, so that part or that pieces we count, and then we will compare both. Now you can see there is a circle, okay, and the circle is divided into 6 equal parts. Can we divide? Yes. Tell me that that marked portion. How much is the marked portion of the total? Yes, 1 by 6, right? And 1 by 6 is a portion, is a fraction, right? So how do you do that? How many total parts are there? 6 parts are there. Out of which you took out 1. So that becomes 1 by 6, right? So 1 by 6 is a fraction of the total. Right? Very good. Thank you so much. Bye bye.